What's up, guys? Today is day 5 of our Colorado adventure, and this is our campsite for day 5. It's only 2:30 p.m. We are near Browns Lake, the lake right there, and here are our rigs. And I am gonna show you how my camp is set up. This is my vehicle here, and I have leveled it with the rock here. So our elevation right now is 11,321 feet, and I am still feeling short of breath. So this is my poop station. I got there inside my poop bin, and it would also function as a dressing room or a shower room, but I mainly use that just for pooping. And this is my mattress here, and I have like 20-degree sleeping bags and pillows on those bags. This is just gonna fit on all my windows so that it would be retaining the heat, and also for privacy. Reflectix from Lowe's, I just cut it to size. So this is my power station. It's a Bluetti EB55, and it powers my fridge, which I store all my drinks, my food. So this is my electric blanket. It's gonna provide me with some extra warmth during the night. I just run it off through my power station. So this is a bug net that I just put on one of the passenger windows, so I could open the window a little bit and not a lot of insects, or no insects can go in, but I can still have air. Welcome to my crib. Okay, this is now the inside when it's all covered up. So yeah, I just put that light over in this area here where there's like a bungee cord, and it will light my space up. Now it's time to copy my files. I'm still short of breath.